We have a damper up on top, and we have a damper down that'll split to bring air out. And I got them both closed right now.
What's it for again?
Just bringing in combustion air, fresh air into this room.
In this room?
Yep.
Because you're gonna need the fresh air for your boilers.
So will
Well,
this,
that's a-
will this be
that
open
an
when you
indirect-
guys?
oh, that's true, okay.
It'll be open typically after we're done, or it just depends?
So what we did, I'll be honest with you, we put this in because the boiler that was going in here wasn't a high efficiency or direct vent boiler. Now we're pulling our fresh air from the outside for the boiler. So we still installed it, and then we hit closed on it, but you can adjust them.
So it might not even need it?
Might not need to. And there is some air leakage on here, but it's not a bad thing to be bringing some extra air into these rooms, these chemicals, and like over there.
What is this? Now, tell them, this is what?
The one on the right is the boiler, and the one on the left, I believe, is your some of your filters.
I know it's our typical pool filter.
That would all be the pool guys, we don't.
Yeah, we don't do anything with that.
So Pool Tech, isn't Pool Tech involved with this?
Yep.
The ones that installed it, aren't they gonna be the service people of it?
The only thing you
So
need to
the
know
other
is
thing is-
there's a ball valve over there. That's the one thing I did over there. Shut the ball valve off with gas. That's
The
mine.
gas is right back here.
The what now?
The ball valve on
For
the
what?
gas.
For the gas for the
gas
boiler?
boiler.
Yep.
So it's the heat's generated by gas.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. The gas.
So,
Oh, I see.
So that would be in case we needed to shut the gas
Yeah.
off for any reason. All right.
And
Okay.
the other stuff that's in this room for Jaybird would be just your RPZ.
What's that mean?
Backflow preventer.
Backflow devices?
Yep.
And then the Pool Tech is gonna did Pool Tech put this stuff in?
Yep.
They'll do their own.
Okay.
I figured since we're in here, might as well.
Yeah, the
point that
RPZ,
out, so.
and we do certify or do the calcs on them right now.
Yep, we
First
do
time.
the original first one and then they need to be tested yearly.
Yeah.
We do that, but it's gonna be a little more expensive for you guys because we're gonna come all the way here.
I usually
So
I've been
there's-
using some at the
Yeah, if
pool
you have a
over
local guy,
RPZ.
yeah.
Okay.
And I'll just.
For that portion, I would recommend a local guy for you guys.
Yeah, then,
Otherwise,
As much as I love the business, but I don't think you guys wanna pay for.
But we do,
That's
we
to
do
test
do
that.
service
I was like,
contracts.
anybody can do that. but
We do service
You can
contract.
get people to get
Yeah. Yep.
It'll take a while.
So.
No, I'll have some, probably doing all of our RPZs over there.
You gotta do it too.